Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any content from me. Okay, so I just want to give you a heads up. If my voice is going to be sounding funny, it's because I'm down with the cold. But we're just going to get right into this video and show you how we achieved this fabulous hairstyle. Okay, so you guys know the drill. My hair is washed and moisturized and all that good stuff. I'm gonna be using water just to refresh my hair, before I start working on it. And this also helps when I, use the gel to slick it down, Alright, so I'm just gonna separate my hair into 3 sections. Okay, so here I'm just separating the hair that way, it doesn't get in the way. But we're starting in the back. Okay, you guys, you already know I'm not really good with these lines. By using a rat tail comb, I'm just gonna, try to do my best. The good thing is I'm gonna cover most of the lines with the hair. So yeah, thank God for that, because okay, you already know. But I'm gonna try my best for the sides to look, at least better, because you're gonna see the sides, so I need to do the best that I can do. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, after I feel like okay, this is good enough, I'm gonna take my fave Eco Styler gel. Okay, I love this Eco Styler gel, so we're just gonna use that and make sure we brush the hair, slick it down. Okay, we're trying to get this as slick as we possibly can. And then I'm gonna use a ponytail holder, to tie the hair, and then I'm just gonna twist it and put it away for now. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same with the midsection, but I need to clean up the parts before I tie it. So that's what I'm doing, or try to clean up the parts as much as I can. I was gonna do the other side, but I feel like I was gonna mess it up if I try, so I was like, okay, this line is good enough. Okay, all right, so using a ponytail holder, I'm just gonna hold that hair and put it away for now. That way I can slick the hair in the middle, slick it down, make sure it's nice and sleek and shiny, And then we're gonna brush it just like we did with the other one, so that it's, laying and I don't have any like hair sticking out. Like everything is laid. I'm trying to get it laid. And twisting it and putting it away like I did the other one. Okay, so with this last part, I'm just taking away my sideburns because I'm gonna, have 2 braids on the sides. So I'm just gonna put that away for now, and I'm taking little hair, but you can take as much as you want to, or as little as you want to. The reason why I'm taking little hair is because the beads that I'm going to be using have little tiny holes, and I knew if it's bigger it's going to be hard for me to like put the beads in, so I had to make sure that the hair is thin so that I can use thin braid, if that makes sense. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna slick that like we did the other one, twist it for now, make sure the hair is nicely slick. And then of course I'm gonna have to further lay the hair, you know, with a silk scarf. So as the hair is, you know, getting laid, we're gonna work on the sides of the hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and braid that. Okay, so I'm braiding it and then twisting it. Then after I'm done both sides, I'm gonna put some beads in, you know, to give it that extra, you know, a little something. And this is the hair that I'm going to be using. This is the hair that I use for most of my Updos. I love this hair, okay? It looks so close to my hair, and that's what I love about it. It looks like, you know, like relaxed black hair, you know. So I love that because when I slick it down, it actually goes so well with my natural hair. So I'm gonna attach that using the rubber band that comes with the hair, and then I'm twisting it. After I twist it, I'm just gonna, you know, wrap it around, and I'm making sure that I use the hair to cover up my natural hair, okay? And then we're gonna use some bobby pins, you know, to secure the hair. And I was already starting to feel the look, as you guys can see, okay? It's cute. And then I used 3 packages, by the way. Oops, it broke. So I had to use a bobby pin to kind of like secure the hair, you know what I'm saying? But I used 3 packs of the hair, and, you know, attaching it to each section. And you don't have to use 3 packs, especially if you don't want it to be as big. If you want it to be like really huge and extra, you can use even more packs. If you don't want it to be this big, you can use, you know, split the hair. It's just up to you, you know, however you want to wear the hair. But twisting it and making sure that I wrap the hair, on my natural hair, and using bobby pins. And then for the last part, I'm gonna do the same thing, twisting and wrapping it around and securing with bobby pins. And of course, I'm gonna play with the hair a little bit more to make sure that it fits my shape, you know, if it's how I want it to look. Use some bobby pins, play with it, and just, you know, and voila, that's the finished look. And I love this hairstyle. I added some accessories that I got from my beauty supply store. And yeah, okay, you guys comment below, let me know how you're feeling this look, because I am loving it. And thumbs up the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and come on guys, join the crew, subscribe, okay? I shall see you in my next video. Bye.